We'll guide you through how to create and send group texts on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because it means you can go and send a message to multiple people at once. Perhaps trying to go and organize a party, another gathering, or just go and let people know something like a big update, you can go and let them know. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure these 4 guys know exactly what you need to do in order to go and do this. So what we need to do is go and open up the Messages app. So you can go and see, I've got it at the bottom here. Let's open it up. So you can go and see my conversations here. What we need to do is go and start by creating a new one. So to do this, you need to go and head to the bottom right. There you're going to go and find the message button. It looks like this, little blue icon. Go and tap on it. So as you can see at the top here, it says type name, phone number, or email. But we're trying to go and create a group. So you can go and see the create group button at the top. Tap there. Now you need to go and start finding the people you want to go and add to the group. So you can go and start scrolling down the list and you can go and select them. So for example, I could go and select this here. That'll go and add them. I'll have to go and blur this out, by the way, but then what you can do is go and repeat this. So you can go and scroll down the list and find the different people you want to go and add. So if I go and now look at the top, you can go and see I've got 3 people selected. Yours may be more or less, it doesn't matter. And then what you can do is go and press next in the bottom right. You can go and give this a name. It's important to know only you are going to go and see the name, so do consider that. I could go and name this birthday party, like so, and then you can go and press done. Now it's going to go and start the group, as you can see. So it does say each recipient will receive an SMS message from you. So that's important to note, and replies are going to go and appear in individual conversations. So then what I could do here is go and write the message where I could say, hey, please come to my party on the 17th or whenever it is. And then I can go and press the send button and there we go. I've now gone and sent a message in the group and it's going to go and be sent to each recipient. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future. If you have any suggestions, then feel free to put them down below. I look forward to getting back to you in the future. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.